Welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix message status fail on Instagram. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So there's a few things that we could actually do to see why we are encountering this problem. So the first thing that we could do here is you want to open up any browser that you have on your mobile device. From here, you just want to type into Google search down detector Instagram and just choose the first link that you'll see on your search results. And here, if you see a large spike on the graph here, that means a lot of users is encountering the same problem that you are encountering. So you just need to wait a few hours for Instagram to actually fix their outages or the issues. But if you don't have the current spike here, that means there are no issues encountered in Instagram at the moment. So that means the problem most likely lies on the application you have on your phone. So the first thing that we could actually do is you want to check into your Play Store and check if there are any updates on the Instagram application. So just type in Instagram here and see if there are any updates. So if you don't have any updates here, we have our third solution. So from here, you want to locate your Instagram application. And from here, you just want to click on the Instagram application itself and just choose app info. In here, you want to click on clear data and just click on clear all data. So once you've done that, just log in again in Instagram and check if that solves your issue. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.